Hi, my name is Pastor Michael Hamilton, and I am the senior pastor of the Constant Prayer Missionary Baptist Church, located 103 North Laramie in Chicago. That's on the corner of Laramie and Washington. Let me take this opportunity to thank you for viewing Constant Prayer. And if you're ever in Chicago, you are invited to one or all of our services. Our motto here at the church comes from 1 Thessalonians 5:17. Pray without ceasing.